Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. I got some stuff from Bella Bits and Buys and I wanted to share with you what I got from that Etsy shop. So let's go ahead and open it up. I literally just cut the tape and I'm opening it for the first time. Okay, so it's really cutely packaged. And then she says a little thank you with a little card on there. It's really cute. And then I'm assuming this is probably the invoice. I'll keep over here so I can check to make sure I got everything. Yeah, this is really cute. She packaged it all up with the tissue paper. Okay, so I got some washi tape. It's really cute how she packaged it. So this is just a little thank you. This isn't even something I ordered. I was like, I didn't order this. Just a little washi tape thank you. That's really cute. It's got little, like, it kind of almost looks like paper clips, but it's just little squares, like geometric shape. So that's a cute little way to do the thank you. Okay, and then I got this. This is washi tape that is, I think she said it was 6 inches long. 4 inches long. So it's 4 inches long, and I just thought this was really cool. Let me open it. Yeah, so it's a little hard to open, but I think once you get it, it kind of opens up. And it's just a botanical kind of theme. I think that's really cool. And she had a bunch of these, like a bunch of different ones. She didn't ask me to do this, by the way. I'm just showing you what I bought. And then she had these really cute little weekly planner things. And it's just like a little notepad with the Monday through Sunday on it. I thought that was really cute. Like, you'd use it in your journal and like kind of show like a whole week of what you did. So I'm excited about using those. And then here, let me move this away. And then I bought this notebook 32-piece set. So here, I'm going to scooch it down. So that's cool. It's like paper. They're really thin. So it's like a little piece of paper has been pulled back. That's cute. I like that. And then a little earth. And then these ones, these are pretty thin. I thought they were going to be a little bit thicker, but I kind of like that because it won't add any bulk to the journal. So this is just like pieces of paper kind of clipped together with a little binder clip. And I like that this one didn't have any outer edge to it. Another little, just like a little piece that's taped. And a notebook. This is like just a journal. Like, it's kind of all dirty and rustic. Vintage looking. Kind of grungy. What's this? This is all in language I do not read. But it's kind of cool. It looks like tea-dyed paper with like spots on it. This one, employment prohibited. Like, it's just little, you can cut those out or use them all together. And this one's cute. It's like a little, it's almost like you can fold it into like a little envelope. I don't know if you can, but it's cute. And then a little classified ad. That's cute. And then a little Mona Lisa. I don't know if I'll use that, but okay. And then the typewriters. I loved the typewriters. And then these ones. That's in another language I do not speak. And then the clipboards with the piece of paper on it. And then I loved these ones, the dollar bill. Those are really cute. I'm very happy with those. And then I picked up this one. And these are stickers. So these actually do have kind of like a white edge, which I was really debating about. I was really debating on whether I'd like that because most of my journals aren't white paper. but I figured I could just trim around it if it really bothered me, or use some distressed ink on it. But basically it's just like little stickers of paper, basically. And it looks like there's 3 in each style. Well, these are cute little tags. And there's just a bunch of old paper. Cute. Yeah, I liked this one a lot with the cool paper clip. And that one. And these look like little Polaroid pictures. And these are pretty nice quality. They're they feel fairly thick. Let's see how they peel. Oh yeah, they peel good. Yep, they're nice stickers. Oh, this one doesn't have any edging. Yeah, see, I like that a lot better. Wish they all were like that, but oh well, it's all right. And that one, and then the little envelope, and the little airmail. And that one, and then that one. I just wanted to get some kind of new stuff. I recently got a little bonus at work, so I thought I'd treat myself. I don't typically do a lot of shopping on Etsy, but I don't know, I just thought I'd treat myself. These are basically why I went to the shop, because I saw somebody using these and I just was like, I have to have those. So let me open them so the glare. So it's 15 sheets of basically like, I wonder if they're stickers. Are they stickers? Does it say? It doesn't, I can't tell if it's stickers. Let's see. It feels like a sticker. Oh, it is a sticker. Oh, I even like it more now. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I knew it was a sticker, but I just think that's really cool. Like, you can almost just put this on a page and like, it's done. But I really love the botanicals, the botanical images on there. The rose, that's really pretty. And this one's cool. It's got a little seal on it. They wrapped up the flowers underneath it. I just love all of the little, like, you can cut the pieces out, and yeah. And it's got a little doily and a little, yeah, I'm really happy with these. Those are really cool. So there's 15 sheets in all. Oh, that one's cool. I like that one. This one has like raspberries. Oh, this one's got the birds. I like this one too. Yeah, I'm really happy with these. These are cool. Then I got this set, which is kind of like the deco paper one. So I'll open this one too. And she's got quite a few of these different designs too, but I don't know. I'm a sucker for like paper, like old looking paper. And I love how it's all collaged together, and it's got like stamps on it, like different stamps, and the little wax things. Urgent, tax return, urgent. Okay. Yeah, this is really cool. Hey, look, it says friends. That's funny. Yeah, this is cool. I like these. I think I like the botanical ones better, but I can definitely use these and see myself using these as like backdrops, pieces, and stuff like that to my journal. Yeah, I'm really happy with those. All right, so that's what I bought at Bits and here, let me show you her card. This is just a quick, I just wanted to show you what I got because, you know, I don't do a lot of Etsy hauls. So Bits and buys, Bella's Bits and Buys. So yeah, so that was it. All right, thanks guys. Bye for now.